Hey guys, in this video I am going to introduce Real Streams IPTV service. I will give you brief overview and will explain how to get started. I am doing giveaway of 3-month 2 connection subscription for this IPTV service. To participate in giveaway you need to watch this video till end, like and comment. Based on the comment I will announce the winner after video reach 4K views. Here on the dashboard you have live TV, movies, series, EPG, multi-screen, catch-up, recording and setting. Let me jump on live TV. Right now they have over 11,000 live channels. 11,000 is a huge list. All the channels are divided by category wise. You get the big collection of USA channels. In the USA you get USA entertainment, movies, news, family, kids, all the local channels and sports channels. There are over 50 channels from PPV event. Real Streams offer passes for NFL, NBA, NHL, MLB and soccer. There are channels from USA Low Bandwidth, USA Latino, cooking, comedy, 24/7 TV shows, movies, kids and many more. You get over 400 channels from Canada and UK. Other than USA, UK and Canada, you get channels from Mexico, France, Romania, Arab, Sweden, Philippines, Latino, Netherlands, Australia, Puerto Rico, Vietnam, Kenya, South Africa, Costa Rica, Colombia, Oman, Ukraine, UAE, Chile, and many more. I believe this is very big collection of live channels. I am not gonna play any channel here, but as per my experience, it works great. There is no buffering. Video quality is great. All the live channels either in HD or 4K quality. Works even in low internet. Let's check out movies. Real Streams offer over 24,000 worldwide movies. Here you get movies from 2021, sports replay, movie adventure, comedy, drama, family, fantasy, science fiction, western, 4K movies, politics, mystery, romance, animation, Christmas, and many more. Most of the movies are either in 4K or HD quality. Let me jump on series section. The series you are looking over 6,000 contents. You get series from action and adventure, western, war, soap, science fiction, reality, mystery, animation, history, family, documentary, comedy, fantasy, news, romance, TV movie, war, politics, talk and many more. Best thing I like is that Real Streams offer EPG. EPG works for most of the channels. It's good to see the schedule of your favorite TV shows. Real Streams offer catch-up for over 100 channels. By catch-up, they mostly cover USA channels. I believe catch-up is the plus point of this IPTV service. Other than catch-up and EPG, Real Streams supports multi-screen. This is the website of Real Streams IPTV. I will give you website link in video description. They offer free trial for 2 hours. Their monthly pricing plans are $12 for 2 connection, $15 for 3 connection, $18 for 4 connection and $21 for 5 connections. For the payment they accept any credit card or debit card. As soon as they receive the payment they will instantly send you the setup and login information. Real Stream supports any Android box, Fire Stick and iPhone. They do support web player and they have application for Windows 10 PC as well. Overall this is great IPTV service based on video quality, tons of live channels, video on demands and 24/7 customer chat support. Don't forget to participate in giveaway to get free 3-month subscription for 2 connections. I highly recommend this service. You should try and let me know your experience in comment box. That is it in this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.